How to animate in your mobile phone. How to animate. You should download Pixel Animator from Play Store. I have already downloaded it. Press start button to get started. You should select that size button to determine your size of your photo. You can draw anything on this frame. And if you want to create other frames, you should press that plus button. In the next frame, you should add or remove any features on your picture by your wish. You can you can you can produce many frames as your wish. I am creating 3 frames. If you want to, sorry, 4 frames. If you want to test your movie, press that play button. It is playing. See that? It is playing. To save, press this floppy disk button. This video is not a brand promotion or any ads. If you want to exit, press the back button. Press this image button to see your project. This is my project. I am editing this now. See this? It is animating. Thanks.